the Friday Fireside Chat. All right, I'm starting this new series to update my subscribers, to gain new subscribers, and to entertain my YouTube family and friends. A trifecta. Subscribe, ring the bell. Y'all ever hear me talk like that? No, but you do now. Just like many other channels. Okay, if you want in on this season's giveaways, just type into the comments, I want in, and you get a bingo ball. It's that easy.
I need to mix them up here. There we go.
This Friday's Fireside Chat is brought to you by Redneck Manufacturing. Thank you, Rick, for being a strong supporter of Pappy's Corner. This Friday, I'll give you the world's shortest fairy tale. Once upon a time, a guy asked a girl, "Will you marry me?" And she answered, "No." And the guy lived happily ever after and went golfing a lot. The end. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace!